Nestled amidst the charming suburbs of Prospect, South Australia, lies a house embodying a captivating interplay of eras. This is the Pear Tree House, a project by the acclaimed architecture firm, Glasshouse Projects. Stepping inside, we're greeted by the original 1890s sandstone structure, meticulously restored to retain its inherent heritage. Here, the past whispers through the classic details and the inviting ambience. But the magic unfolds as we venture towards the rear. A contemporary extension, inspired by mid-century modernism, bursts onto the scene. Large glass windows bathe the space in natural light, fostering a seamless connection with the outdoors. The thoughtfully designed kitchen and dining area seamlessly integrate with the living space, creating a haven for culinary adventures and intimate gatherings. Natural materials like wood and stone echo the warmth of the original cottage, while sleek lines and contemporary finishes create a sense of sophisticated ease. Step outside, and a delightful surprise awaits. A sunken garden and a rectangular pool create a tranquil oasis, blurring the lines between interior and exterior living. Imagine waking up to the gentle whispers of nature or unwinding under the starlit sky in this haven of serenity. The Pear Tree House exemplifies the art of harmonious juxtaposition. Here, the classic charm of the past gracefully embraces the contemporary elegance of the present. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful design, where history and innovation coexist in perfect balance. For a more immersive look into this architectural masterpiece, be sure to explore the web for additional resources.